We are in the midst of what appears to be a colossal and history-making blackout.
People trapped in elevators and buildings, they have activated the emergency command center.
You're staggering trying to take in as much information as you can.
Mayor Bloomberg's advice is to go straight home.
Imagine the power goes out tomorrow night. You flip the switch, nothing. The fridge stops humming, your phone shows no signal, and the house goes completely quiet.
Gotta go to the bathroom and you can't even go nowhere.
We've got a real crisis in our grid, and this is why, despite being a superpower, we have a grid that is comparable to a third world country, and that's not right.
At first, people assume it's temporary. They wait. But if the grid really failed, those first few hours would change everything. Stores close, gas stations stop pumping, and nobody knows what's happening. Panic spreads fast when information disappears. Smart preppers don't wait around hoping the system fixes itself. They move straight to the basics. If the grid failed tonight, these 5 items would keep you in control first. Before we jump in, subscribe to the channel and join a community that prepares smart instead of reacting in panic. 1. Hand crank or solar emergency radio. The first thing that disappears in a grid failure isn't comfort, it's information. Your phone might still have battery for a few hours, but once cell towers lose backup power, the signal disappears. No internet, no news updates, no way to confirm what's really happening. Suddenly, everyone is guessing. That's why a hand crank or solar emergency radio becomes incredibly valuable. It may look simple, but it connects you to emergency broadcasts even when modern communication systems fail. During large disasters, governments and emergency agencies still use radio frequencies to share updates. That means a small radio can tell you things the internet can't anymore. You may learn whether the outage is local or widespread, whether severe weather is approaching, or if authorities are setting up emergency services nearby. That information changes how you respond. Instead of reacting to rumors from neighbors, you're hearing verified updates directly from official broadcasts. Most emergency radios also include a hand crank and small solar panel. That means you can generate electricity without relying on batteries or wall outlets. A few minutes of cranking can power the radio and even provide a small charge for a phone. In a grid-down situation, knowledge prevents bad decisions. The people who stay informed stay calmer and act smarter. A simple emergency radio keeps you connected to reality when the rest of the communication network disappears. 2. Gravity-fed water. Filtration. Water becomes a problem faster than most people expect. When electricity fails, city water systems continue running for a short time using leftover pressure in the pipes. But once pumping stations stop working, that pressure disappears and taps eventually run dry.
We have been waiting for water since 10 last night. It's already past 12 noon now and we're still waiting.
Most households store bottled water for emergencies, which is a good start. The problem is that bottled water runs out quickly, especially for families. It also takes up space and becomes heavy to move if you ever need to relocate. A gravity-fed water filter solves that problem in a completely different way. Instead of relying on stored water, it allows you to turn almost any water source into drinkable water. These filters use gravity instead of electricity. You simply pour untreated water into a bag or container, hang it above another container, and the filter slowly removes bacteria and parasites as water passes through. Rainwater, stream water, pond water, or even questionable tap water can become safe to drink. The biggest advantage is efficiency. You're not burning fuel boiling every gallon of water, and you're not depending on bottled supplies that eventually run out. Clean water is the most important survival need after air. When people start worrying about dehydration or illness from contaminated water, stress rises quickly. A gravity filter removes that pressure. As long as water exists nearby, you can keep producing safe drinking water for your household. 3. High-Lumen rechargeable lighting. When the grid fails, night becomes a completely different experience. Modern homes rely entirely on electric lighting. Once that disappears, even familiar spaces feel difficult to navigate. Simple tasks become frustrating, and the darkness can make people anxious. Many households reach for candles during power outages. While they provide light,
A consumer alert for shoppers. 100,000 candles from Dollar Tree are being recalled over a flame risk. Officials say the Sure Sense Peaceful Steam and Moonlit Waves candle can spark a tall flame and overheat the glass around the candle. This can cause it to break, leading to a fire risk. The affected candles were sold between July and September of this year.
they also introduce a serious fire risk, especially during a crisis when emergency services might not respond quickly. Rechargeable LED lighting is a safer and more reliable solution. A strong headlamp is one of the most useful tools you can own during an outage. Because it sits on your head, it keeps both hands free. That allows you to cook, repair equipment, organize supplies, or help family members safely. Solar lanterns add another layer of reliability. During the day, they can sit near a window or outside collecting sunlight, and at night, they provide steady light without draining disposable batteries. Lighting does more than improve visibility. It keeps people calm. It also allows your household to keep functioning after sunset. Cooking, cleaning, organizing supplies, or checking outside becomes much easier when you have dependable light. Even from a security perspective, a home with light inside is less attractive to someone looking for an easy opportunity in a dark neighborhood. Prepared homes stay active at night instead of shutting down. 4. Manual backup tools. Modern homes are full of electric tools and appliances. When the grid fails, many of those conveniences instantly become useless. One simple example is the electric can opener. It's something people rarely think about until the power goes out, and suddenly the pantry full of canned food becomes harder to access. A durable manual can opener solves that issue immediately. But beyond that small tool, every household should have a reliable multi-tool or survival knife available. These tools become incredibly valuable once power disappears. Small problems start appearing everywhere during long outages. Boxes need opening, cords need cutting, equipment needs tightening, and small repairs become constant. A multi-tool combines several essential tools into one compact device. Pliers, screwdrivers, blades, and cutters allow you to handle many problems quickly without searching for a full toolbox. Unlike electric tools, mechanical tools don't depend on charging batteries or electricity. They simply work whenever you need them. In emergencies, the ability to fix small problems immediately makes life much easier. Instead of waiting for help or watching equipment fail, you stay capable and self-reliant. Simple tools often become the most valuable ones. 5. Portable heat or cooking. If the grid fails during cold weather, temperature quickly becomes a serious concern. Most home heating systems rely on electricity to operate fans, thermostats, or ignition systems. When the power goes out, those systems shut down even if they run on gas. Indoor temperatures can start dropping within hours. Instead of trying to heat an entire house, experienced preppers focus on heating a single room. A portable indoor safe heater allows family members to gather together and conserve warmth. Cooking is just as important. Cold food can keep you alive, but hot meals provide comfort and stability during stressful situations. A small propane or butane camp stove allows you to heat canned food, boil water, and prepare simple meals without relying on your kitchen appliances. That ability keeps daily routines somewhat normal, even during a crisis. Something as simple as a warm meal or hot drink can improve morale and help people stay calm. During long emergencies, stress and uncertainty wear people down. Maintaining warmth and the ability to cook helps your home remain functional instead of uncomfortable. These tools give you control over your environment when everything outside feels uncertain. If this video helped you think differently about preparedness, subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And I'm curious about your answer. If the power went out for a month starting tonight, what is the one thing you would miss the most? Tell me in the comments. Stay smart, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.